Hi everyone, good morning. Do you often wake up feeling tired, lazy, or just want to hit that snooze button? Don't worry, today I'll share a 5-minute healthy morning routine that will wake up your body and mind instantly. It's super easy and perfect for beginners. Why morning routine matters? People often say, how you start your morning determines your whole day, and it's true. Your morning sets the tone. Of visuals, successful people waking up early, sunlight, coffee, stretching. When you start your morning right, you can 1. Boost your focus, 2. Improve your mood, 3. Increase your energy levels, 4. And become more productive overall. The best part, you don't need an hour-long routine. 5 minutes is enough if you do it consistently. Welcome to Health Verse. On this channel, we explore the universe of health from every angle, covering the body, mind, nutrition, and healthy lifestyle. If you're working on building a healthier, more balanced life, you're in the right place. Let's embark on your journey to a healthier world together. All right, let's jump into the 5-minute morning routine. Ready? Let's go. Minute 1. Wake up consciously. When your alarm rings, don't grab your phone yet. Instead, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale slowly, exhale gently. Move your neck, arms, and legs slowly to awaken your body. This simple act tells your brain, I'm ready for a new day. Minute 2. Drink a glass of water. After 6-8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. A glass of water helps activate your metabolism, flush out toxins, and refresh your body instantly. Bonus tip: add a slice of lemon for vitamins and a refreshing taste. Minute 3. Light stretching. Now it's time to move your body. You don't need to hit the gym, just 60 seconds of gentle stretching. Roll your shoulders forward and back. Reach both hands up, touch your toes. Twist your waist side to side. Minute 4. Positive mindset. Now, let's train your mind. Stand in front of a mirror and say these affirmations. Today, I am full of energy. I am enough and I am capable. I will make today a great day. Words are powerful. They shape your thoughts, your actions, and your day. Minute 5. Light breakfast or vitamins. Finally, give your body fuel. If you don't have time for a big breakfast, that's okay. Just grab something light and healthy, like a banana, a quick bowl of oatmeal, a yogurt, or even a simple smoothie. What matters is keeping your body nourished before you start your day. Tips to stay consistent. Now you might ask, how do I stay consistent? Here are a few simple tips. 1. Prepare the night before. Keep your water, workout clothes, or yoga mat near your bed. 2. Use a pleasant alarm sound, not something that makes you panic. 3. Set a reminder on your phone, like, hey, take 5 minutes for yourself. 4. Celebrate small wins. 1 week of consistency, treat yourself to something nice. See, it's simple, quick, and powerful. Just 5 minutes every morning can completely change how you feel throughout the day. So, from today, make your mornings your best time of the day. Take care of your body, clear your mind, and start your day with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.